Ciao ragazzi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Benedetta and today I'm gonna share with you another sweet recipe from Modena. Do you know Barozzi cake? Well, Barozzi cake is still a secret recipe, yes, because the original recipe is still a secret, from the pasticceria, the pastry shop, Gollini in Vignola. Even though there's still a secret ingredient that nobody knows except the people working in the pastry shop, the main ingredients are known. And that's why we can reproduce this cake also at home. It's a super soft chocolate coffee cake, but made with no flour except for peanuts flour and almond flour. If you like the style of brownies, let's say, cake, then you will love this one. It's typical to have underneath some aluminum foil. You remove it and you eat it. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go.
First of all, let's remove the seeds from the vanilla bean. Add the vanilla seeds to the icing sugar and then sift all the dry ingredients. So the icing sugar together with the vanilla beans, the cocoa powder, bitter cocoa powder, coffee powder, peanut flour, almond flour, and then mix together the ingredients. Add 4 egg yolks and the melted butter. Combine all together the ingredients with a wooden spoon, kind of easier instead of using the whisk. Apart, whip firmly the 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt. It's time to add the whipped egg whites to the mixture. Start by adding just a little bit of the egg white in order to make the mixture a little bit more liquid. Then, little by little, add all the rest, mixing from the bottom to the top, gently and trying to incorporate as much air as possible. At this point, you should have a nice, creamy, soft, airy mixture. Cover a baking tin with aluminum foil and pour on it the mixture. Level the surface. Cover the cake with another aluminum foil. Bake the Barozzi cake at 170 degrees Celsius conventional oven for 45-50 minutes. Then it's fundamental to let the cake completely cool down. Using a cutting board or a wooden board, turn the cake upside down. Remove the baking tin and also the edges of the aluminum foil. Slice the cake into squares. And your Barozzi cake is ready to be sorted. Preserve the cake for a few days in a dry space and enjoy for breakfast or simply for a tasty snack. Thumb up if you enjoyed this recipe and buon appetito!